Yeah, the story of my people. After already me walking in the town and so one girl and she about, looking good like a big woman and so forth and so forth. And I have a reason and she said she liked me and I said, how old is she? She said 40. I said, John. So I said, my girl, may I tell you this, John Star. It now, yeah man, so I say, my girl, listen to me man. How old is? She said, boy, she 40. She a big woman. I said, yes, you look like a big woman, you look big still. And you're a big woman still, because you're 40 years old. And I said, my girl, and I press up and I look upon her and I size up and I said, my girl, I'm 60, She said, what? I really want a man, that big man, I want a man like you, man, trust me. And I said, but yeah, I said, my girl, my woman have to be from 50 to 80, not 40. She said, I lie, but a old woman you want to kill? I said, no. I know old woman I want to kill. I want people to understand themselves. When don't understand themselves, when a giddy head, when a chicken, pan egg in a nest. Now copy me I say. So me I say, my girl, here you go on. Now you're a friend, man. See him? Now you're just friend, social friend. Hey, and you could think we can talk and so forth. Not no more. You see him? God, a big woman I want 50 to 80. You copy? Yeah. No 40. You see him? When I'm sick head.